is a drug party. Yeah, smoking out of pound, I don't smoke.
Alright, y'all, I'm about to get my exhaust fixed right here. But yeah, don't mind the noisy ass car. Y'all know it's old as hell. I still gotta figure out what my damn that squeaking is. I need new bushings. We're not gonna talk about that, but yeah, he was working on this when I got here. That right there, that Camino. And I also got a package from Amazon. Oh yeah, that was for me. And then these, chop those up, put them on both sides, and that's it. So these should be flanges, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Bang, bang. Yeah. Exactly. Perfect.
Yep.
Yes, sir. I like it. Oh, that's what those are.
Yeah.
The bolts.
Yep.
Show you reach.
Those are all bolts.
Are they?
This has just been regular bolts. It went through. These are like for factory manifolds or something. This would sit like that, and then the flange would go on there and then tighten it down.
So can it go like that on this side then? It won't reach?
You're not going to be able to compress that down far enough.
Can we use just the bolts by itself? Because I don't have anything else.
We might have some bolts for it.
That's a pretty big hole. Oh, we need a washer. Because this nut's not going to hold it, of course.
No, outside of that, just might need a couple of washers, but we might make them work still up.
And then in a couple, like probably tomorrow I could just go get some real actual bolts or something.
I'll look real quick. We might actually have a couple of
I hope
bolts.
so, 'cause I really need to get this done.
Be able to get it to the damn truck.
I say start it up. Actually, I haven't heard my car open header since I rebuilt it, actually. Since I put the shit back together. Sheesh. Damn it. I really wish I could have got these freaking tips. I was looking forward to that part. Oh well. Ooh. Now, is it a good idea to have a flex pipe anywhere, or is that just like a myth type of thing?
No, it is.
Okay.
It really is, but the best place to have a flex pipe's up here closest to the motor.
Where all the torque is?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For that reason, because of the torque movement of the motor, you know. Your factory exhaust.
Yeah, I know it has them in it. I broke them. That's how I figured they were in there. I broke them. I forgot how I did it. Oh, I don't know how I did it, honestly, because I was taking the old manifolds off and the cat's with it, and the pipe that connected to the rear of the cat just fell off, and I was like, what the? And I looked inside and there was an accordion in it. Yeah. I was like, well, there's that.
Yeah, we've been through it over the years. Well, we got a little knowledge of them.
Fingers.
Do it for the gram.
More like do it for YouTube.
Oh, you got your little YouTube?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
I can send you the link. This will probably go up in like a couple weeks though. Cause I got like a.
You have to send me the link. We'll fucking subscribe, my son. Always on YouTube watching car shit.
Yeah. I'm just now getting to the part where like my last car, I just started driving my last car.
Not fully yet. It's coming. I got a motor job to get through next week, and then I'm cutting that car.
Yeah, I was trying to call you because my bad, you said you got cash out, so I'll get cash out too.
Oh.
That's yours?
No, of course not. Yeah, it's mine. Yeah, it's mine. Yeah. You want me to grab the tips before we let it all the way down so you can have like a...
Yeah.
It's that Camino he was working on. Sheesh. That'd be nice. Yo.